Bakit na niya?
Grabe? That was like explosion of cactus.
Huh?
Explosion.
Which one did you like?
Mama later will think jigger.
But don't take it from the fire.
Okay. Got it. Good thing you told me.
Yeah.
I'm not the type you. I'll give you the message.
Wow, ang dami. Say hi to say hi.
Are you on live too? Guys, you need on live too. Ako rin. Wait, tingit ako.
Say hi, Baba.
They did the story.
Hi guys. I was talking to my mom on live. I don't know how to live. We're all on live now. It's a live party. Mama! You know what I'm saying?
Daming tao din, no? We're here in Belgium.
Big share.
Yeah, I'll get a bite. We're on our way to Tomorrowland tomorrow.
Let's do the hard nuts first. Let's do the apple here. Don't come back here in the beach to have Marina is here. Hey guys. What is this?
Si Japet. Hi, Jason. Good morning. Hello daw, Norman, Pam. Si Japet. Ah, ang dami bang puti ang gagwapo. Gwapo, oh. Ang gwapo nang nasa likod ko. You're blocking the view.
I want to try the chicken sauce. The green one.
We're here in Belgium now. Tomorrow, pupunta kami ng Tomorrowland. So, yeah. Cheers. Living on. Oh my God, daming gwapo dito. Ayan. Diba? Oh. It's a happening place. Ewan ko na lang. Parang cute tong nasa likod din. Magla-live ako sa Tomorrowland tomorrow. Nandito pala sa likod ko. Sabi nila, ang gwapo daw itong sa likod ko. Papakita ko. Sabi ko, teka lang guys, kasi andito siya. Tawang-tawa. Sabi niya, ate, may pogi. Uy, tumimik kayo. Nandito yung totoong pogi. Andito kami ngayon sa Belgium. Tomorrow we'll be going to Tomorrowland. So, abangan nyo ang aking live. Sa'yo na yung jacket. Natatawa ako. Gwapo niyo, oh. May nakatingin, nakabantay. Change angle.
Kung mga terorista.
Aray, ginoo ko.
Hi, fam. Pwede mo wear the
Sorry, hindi daw pwede. Here, here.
Do you want anything else? You want some more?
Award good na ibantay, kaya konti lang guys. Konti lang guys, ganyan-ganyan. Kasi may nakabanta. Ito si Olivia. Okay. Natatawa ako. Ay, Isabel, I'm trying to go to Cologne. Malayo ba yung Cologne sa Munich?
Malayo-layo.
Aww. Yan muna next time. We'll go back to Europe. Hey! Say hi. Say hi.
We're on, this is a live, like,
Live to
conception.
live.
Everyone's live, going live.
Live.
Missing you on TV, so excited for your new show.
Yeah.
Hanggang tingin na lang tayo guys kasi bawal.
Hi.
Twice a year.
Did I order a guacamole?
There is no guacamole,
Oh,
sir.
there's not. Okay.
Yeah, sorry.
Could I order another prawn taco?
Prawn taco?
Oh, the prawn taco's good. Chicken,
The chicken, okay lang. The prawn and the special food is good.
yeah. The prawn was good.
No more prawn. How about the special one? The
Like on the mug.
yeah.
Why?
So it will take about half an hour.
That's okay. It was really good. Thank you. Chisera.
Gandhi, ah.
Hi. Kiss nila. No. Natatawa ako. Ang daming cute eh. Ewan ko, hindi ako sure. Natatawa ako. Kada may papakute sa atin.
Ganda ng ano yung look niya.
Oh, wow. I love her dress. I love her dress. Mika, oh. Ganda, Mika, ang ganda ng look niya, oh.
Honestly, I did.
Ganda ng dress niya. So nice. I really love her dress. Ganda ng necklace. Ganda ng dress niya. So nice. Sobrang ganda ng look niya.
Hi, party.
Hi! I love her dress. Baka pwede sila dito, oh. Ganda ng look nila.
Sino?
Itong dalawa.
That's not the art.
Ah, that's not
Sabi
ours.
ba nila?
Hindi ko alam. Ang ganda ng dress nila eh. I love her look. Sobrang ganda. Kuha naman kay Kan. Ganina pa may gasi. No. Tagang kay cute dire pero bawal ta mo storya kay natong bana. So, igor ata mo lantaw. Ganda ng dress niya. Ang ganda ng dress niya. Ganda. Ganda ng kulay.
Camping.
Ha?
Kung suotin mo yung parang nag-camping, overlanding.
Ganyan ba yung look pag nag-overlanding?
Meaning, ang tent.
Yeah, pero pag ganyan kasi sa Pilipinas, hindi naman ganyan yung look ng overlanding. Ganda ng look niya. So nice. Cheers. I really like this place. Look at this place. We're here in Hoxton, Belgium. For the eyes only. Ang ganda ng dress niya. Ang ganda ng look niya. I love it. Nice. Wow, ang dami explanation. Pwede bang i-live mo na lang kasama dito?
Hey guys, I'm a chatterbox. I'm a yapper today.
Wala na siya sinasabi after.
On the spot.
Say something. Sabay kaya.
Something. Hey guys.
Biglang nagpa-cute yung
My
boses.
name. Ako. Ang dami kasi nanonood sa movie. Ako yung these sweet people.
Balik tayo sa gwapo dyan. Ganyan, konti. Ganyan lang, konti. Konti lang.
The more you say this, the more confident you don't feel about yourself. Tama ba?
Ano? The more? Dito pakita kayo. Dito pa halata pa. Cute lang. Anak lang. Anak lang. Anak gamay. Kinaadiri ang bana. Anak lang.
Your outfit is so different. Every episode is so damn on fire. Not just an icon, but also back to the yeah. I love love that. My stylist is that
Hi. Excuse me, hindi pa ko hubog. Kapasaga na mong yaw-yaw na hubog ko. Kung hubog ko, gaara na ako mata. Woo! Alo ka? Wala lang. Nakong ba? Ana na nata. Ana na. Bawal. Ano? What are you guys looking?
ang dami dito.
Ito, oh, nasa likod ko.
Ayan nga.
Oo nga eh. Kaso sabi ko, bawal kasi nandito rin sa kabilang likod ko. Ayan.
Yo, ang dami dito.
Kung nandito si Faye, sasabihin niya, hi, where have you been all my life?
Sarap ng asapon and full so fast.
Yeah. Got in just in time.
Then, hindi ko makakalimutan
Yeah.
to love it. Funny too.
What?
So I love at first place, there was a scene where I had to cook adobo.
Oh.
Parang
Do you really know how to cook adobo?
in real life.
Yeah? You know how?
I just need to watch it. Or TikTok.
Can't be that hard. So,
I looked in the show, but what was funny is my character doesn't know how to cook. So parang
So,
show these boys na marunong siya magluto.
so was it hard for you?
No, kasi it was funny because I was putting in like baking soda para maging mabula-bula yung adobo. Parang lang pala effort na it looks like a science experiment. Tapos pinagsakitigil ko sa kanila. They were all like,
But did they like it? They were supposed to like it.
experiment siya.
Sarap naman.
You didn't eat anything. Did you eat?
No.
That's the chicken one. That's the pork.
Yung shrimp, masarap.
Aside from salmon, what's your other show? That's the only show I'm doing right now.
Pop.
Nasa Rosso.
Casa Los Sila ready for that.
Which one? Wet or white? Dapat, is that water? Ito, oh my God, dapat, Kambi, dapat Did you put oil in my bayong?
Why me?
You're the magulo kumain.
Kasi ako na
Ayun. Yes? Kasi nandyan si Mama. I need to thank Europe for my hair. Maganda yung hair ko dito. No, yeah. And I think it's the weather also. Sa Philippines, ang hair ko dun medyo frizzy. Like, sobrang makulot na ewan. Dito naman, sobrang gusto niya yung weather. What's happening? Hello, guys. Hey, Carl. Say hi to Pam. And this is Mika. And Olivia. I'm not going to Paris. I'm just going to Tomorrowland. I'm not gonna watch the Olympics. I'm gonna watch Tomorrowland. Mahal ang Olympics, girl. Dito ka afford. Diba? Do you ever dream to watch an Olympics in your life? You don't mind? It's really nice then. Baba, is it really nice?
Is it really nice? You like sports?
I'd rather watch FIFA. Ako, gusto ko FIFA. Dream ko manood ng FIFA. Lambing naman ito. FIFA? P-pop ka dyan. P-pop talaga? Lambing nyo naman dalawa. Back to Asia. Ay! Hindi ba na sila Jigger?
Sila pa. Na-delay yung flight nila. Na-delay daw ng hour na half.
Oh. Tumingin kasi siya, kaya dapat takpan konti para balik tayo ulit. Nakatawa man taning foreigners sa akong likod. Oy, maulaw ta. Di ta magpahalata. Kaya na. Maulaw ta. Ang usa na po dire ang original. Pabuang ko. Sa inyo nga nalagi ning likod. Sa inyo na itong nasa likod ko. Don't worry, guys. Kinaad ring original. Hanggang tingin lang talaga tayo. Lahat sila ba? Lahat sila gusto makilala yung nasa likod ko. So, chill lang, guys. Kasi andito yung original.
Guys, stack of the month.
Oh, here. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ang dami daw natin supply na FAB. Okay na. Yeah. Pam, you should try this. Hindi mo na try.
Put some, yeah.
Taco of the month.
It's like, they call it chicharron. It's like pork, but it's a different kind of pork to the other one.
Okay, ready? Taste test.
Oh. Sarap. Sarap, no? Sarap. Ano na? Retouch ng lipstick. Ano yung lipstick mo?
Charlotte Tilbury.
What's the color?
Ano ba? Si Mama.
Pillow talk. This is really nice. Ano?
Si Mama.
Ano sabi niya? Do more pag lumabas kayo. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Doc.
So juicy. Can I have a bite? Can you feed me? Can you feed me?
Yeah.
Parang puro gulay yan.
Hindi, okay yan.
Puro gulay. Daya mo. Sarap. Sa mga pupunta ng Netherlands, ulit, Tomorrowland, tag nyo ako. I'll see you guys tomorrow. We'll be going there. We're so excited. What gave me that face? Balik na lang tayo dito dyan. Pwede ba daw si Olivia sa Tomorrowland?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Yes, I will be at Tomorrowland tomorrow. We're here in Belgium. Uy, baka gusto niya ano? Isa pa ako. Sana
Big
go up
bite.
together. Hindi pa siya. Okay, ganda.
Sarap.
Bonita. This one got so much, or like a good amount of flavor. Why did you get the solo? Bakit may... hindi ko alam. Guwapo. Sarap ba?
Ano ako?
Sarap ba? Okay lang. Like it. That's good. Dami. So bukas, pupunta kami Tomorrowland. Ayun yun lang. Wapo. Cheers. Wait. Cheers. Bye-bye.